Hello friends, welcome to Info Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 21st May. Let's start. In the year of 1502, João da Nova of Portugal discovered the island of St. Helena in the South Atlantic Ocean. In the year of 1819, on this day, the first time a bicycle was seen on the streets of New York City in the United States. It was called the Swift Walker. In the year of 1840, on this day, New Zealand is declared a colony of Britain. In the year of 1851, on this day, slavery practice ended in Colombia, South America. In the year of 1881, on this day, American Red Cross institution established. In the year of 1904, on this day, the International Football Federation, FIFA, the highest body of football, is established in Paris. In the year of 1918, on this day, US House of Representatives allows women to vote. In the year of 1927, on this day, an American pilot, Charles Lindbergh, flew the first Atlantic non-stop from New York to Paris in a small plane. In the year of 1931, on this day, Saroj Joshi, the famous satirist of India, was born. In the year of 1935, on this day, the city of Quetta was severely devastated by the earthquake, in which more than 30,000 people died. In the year of 1961, on this day, white and black people clashed in Montgomery, Alabama, South Africa, during the meeting of Dr. Martin Luther King, who opposed apartheid. The quarrel started by white people creating a ruckus. In the year of 1991, on this day, former Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi was killed in a suicide bombing attack at Sri Perambur in Tamil Nadu. In the year of 1994, on this day, Susmita Sen won the title in the 43rd Miss Universe competition held in Manila. In the year of 2010, on this day, All India Gorkha League President Madan Tamang is assassinated in Darjeeling. In the year of 2010, on this day, 158 passengers out of 166 were killed in the crash of Air India plane 9182 coming from Dubai to Mangalore. In the year of 2019, on this day, Nepali Sherpa Kamirita sets a new record for climbing Mount Everest. Kamirita became the first climber in the world to climb Everest, the world's highest peak, 25th times. In the year of 2019, on this day, more than 600 people living with HIV were identified in a month in Sindh province of Pakistan, in which 75% were children. The reason for this was attributed to the use of infected needles. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Airport Authority of India issued a detailed standard operating procedure for domestic flight operations that began on 25 May 2020. In the year of 2020, on this day, Chhattisgarh CM Bhupesh Baghel launched the Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyay Yojana on the 29th anniversary of former PM Rajiv Gandhi. In the year of 2020, on this day, Ministry of Defence approved the purchase of defence equipment from local dealers under the Make in India initiative. That's all. Thanks for watching.